Hi, my name is Ronnie Lopez. I am a strength and conditioning coach with years of experience training youth athletes across Southern California. 3-Week Baseball Beast is a program designed to build a strong foundation with the baseball and softball athlete in mind. Hey, no excuses anymore. We've created this program designed specifically for you, for the motivated baseball athlete, for the motivated softball athlete. You now have a resource that's gonna help you get better on the field. This is your ticket to get stronger, to improve your conditioning. That's gonna really help you develop as you get older. So no more excuses. No matter where you're from, no matter what state you live in, you can access this program. All we need is you to be motivated, for you to buy in, to really believe in what we're doing, and join us along the ride. This is for you.
Catch your breath. Grab some water. We're gonna cool down. All right, here we go.